Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download WordTrip application on your Android phone. So let's go ahead and dive into the video without wasting much of our time. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your Play Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in WordTrip. Once you make a search for it, you will be able to see the WordTrip application displayed in the search result from Play Simple Games. To begin downloading the app, tap on Install and wait for the download process to start. Once the application is done with the download and installing on your Android, you will be able to open the app just fine and get started with the game. So that's how you can easily download WordTrip application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.